Hello, my name's Vanessa. I'm a lightworker and I'm here to help. In this video, I want to talk about how you can have more self-confidence. The first thing that you must do in order to improve your self-confidence is to stop bulldozing over your needs. Many of us are really busy and we often have others that we have to care for. We have to do cleaning around the house, we have jobs, and oftentimes our needs get pushed to the very back. And this will create a distrust in yourself. You are not going to trust yourself to meet your needs. Your needs are important and they do need to be met. So if we have this distrust with ourselves, our self-confidence is absolutely going to go down. We need to be able to trust ourselves. And the other thing that we can do is to really get to know ourselves beyond our beliefs. This goes into the root chakra. You need to go in and heal your old beliefs about yourself, beliefs that come from other people, childhood wounds, and really get to know yourself on a deep level. And this way, when people challenge you, it isn't going to affect you. If someone was to come up to you and say, "You're a horse," you would not for a second think, "Am I a horse?" No, you know you are a human. You would not go around and ask other people if they think that you are a horse. It just would be so ridiculous. So you need to get to a point where you know yourself, and that way when outside people come and try to challenge this, it's just not even a question. You just know yourself so well. And like I said, in order to do that, you really need to get to the true essence of yourself and start examining beliefs that you have, especially about yourself and your place in the world. And I've said this before, but no human being on this earth is more or less worthy than any other. That's truth. What else can you do? So goals, create goals for yourself and then make steps to carry those out. It's a wonderful way to build our self-confidence is to even have small goals like, oh, maybe I'm going to read a book this month. I'm going to read one book, or I'm going to get my house finally clean the way I want. And create these goals and then actively take steps to complete these goals. And this will give you a huge boost of confidence. The other thing is just to be kind to yourself and start having that be your baseline treatment to yourself. You know, every time I go into the bathroom, I take a look at myself and I give myself a compliment in some way. It does have to be true for this to be helpful. So I might just say, "I really like the color of my hair. And actually, I love the gray hair that are coming in. And I love that because this is me and I love me." And so I'm always giving myself compliments. And even when I do something wrong, I don't slam myself. I say, "Okay, that's okay. We'll do better next time. We'll get it next time." So it really changed the way that you speak to yourself and also the way that you allow others to speak to you. Create healthy boundaries. Do not allow people to constantly berate you or to put you down. I don't care if this is a partner that you have or a parent. You need to create healthy boundaries. I'm not going to tolerate you talking to me this way. And it might come down to the fact that you need to remove yourself from some relationships. Not all relationships, you will not have the opportunity to remove yourself from all relationships, but the ones that you do have a choice, then you might need to do that. But first try to set healthy boundaries in a loving way. It definitely would not be helpful to start attacking the person back. That is not going to get a desired outcome. But in a loving way, say, "You know what, this is not true, and I'm not going to allow you to treat me this way." And don't allow yourself to treat yourself that way. There are so many good things about you. Really put your energy into that, and what you put your energy into grows. So put your energy into loving yourself because you deserve it. You absolutely are lovable. I love you. Source loves you. I hope you have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon.